So in the last 4 videos we made a nice looking banner. The only thing is this banner constantly repeats itself and starts to get a little bit annoying. We'd like the name to come in, the star to roll in, and then have it stop. Now in order to do that, we're going to have to write a little bit of action script. This kind of simple action script we can write right into our timeline. Now whenever you write action script into your timeline, it's good to be a good programmer and to make it all the action script in its own layer. So I'm going to click on the new layer button here. A lot of people will name this layer the A layer, because as you add action script into this layer, the frames with the action script will get a little letter A on them. Another name that they like to give this layer is maybe your actions layer, or even action layer. So I'm going to go ahead and name it the action layer. Notice that it's a blank keyframe right here because we have nothing in this layer. Now I want to go ahead and I want my banner to play, and then at the very end here I'd like it to stop. So this frame here, number 48, is where I would like to put my action script to tell it to stop. So I'm going to have to insert a keyframe here. So I'm going to click on frame 48 in my actions layer and hit F6. Notice that a keyframe appears. And now I'd like to write some actions for it. Now I have my actions panel already open, but if yours is not here, then you would go to Window, go to Actions, or even hit your F9 key to get this panel to appear. This is where you'll write all of your ActionScript code when writing ActionScript code directly into the timeline. So note that I'm on frame 48. In my Actions layer, make sure you're on the right layer. Go to your Actions panel, and you're going to write the simplest ActionScript code there is, which is a method call. This method is called stop. You have to put the parenthesis, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. That tells the ActionScript compiler that this is a method call. And then at the very end, be a good programmer and put a semicolon. I'm going to double click to make that small again. But notice that now when I run and play my movie, hit Control Enter, it gets to frame 48 and it stops. Notice that the internal timeline of my stars changing color would also need an actions layer and would also need the command to stop if I wanted it to stop and not keep changing color. I kind of like it changing color, so I'm going to leave it alone. But that's how you make a banner in Flash. So this concludes our little 5 video series on creating a banner in Flash. Hope you enjoyed it.